Well, good morning folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I find myself up at Waterloo Road again, Bond Street. The site of the old Hartes building. You can see in my various videos, we're now demolishing it. I haven't been up here for some time, really been busy. I thought I'd come up and have a look and see what's going on. I think they've all got it all down by now. So anyway, it's just an update for you. So we're going to have a look and see what we can find. We'll see you soon. To show you where we are, we're on the Waterloo Road. They've got Dutton Arms just I've never been in that pub before actually. Looking down towards Central Pier, just see the big wheel there. We've got a rock shop and a joke shop next to each other, and of course my good friend McDonald's there. Anyway, let's go and have a look, shall we? Those of you on the channel have been following the demolition up at Hartes up store. This used to be the old woolworths building. So I thought I'd come up and give you an update anyway. They've still got the fencing up. Oh, just gotta be careful because some of the roads are still open around here. So you see, folks, just put it through the thing. Most of it is down now. They're still working on site here. It'll be a few weeks before this is cleared up and flattened properly. All that's remaining is that wall there. So we can take a little bit of a closer look if we can. But some of the back wall there is still up. Oh, sorry. Cheers. Yeah, still got the back wall to do, so we can get a bit closer. So they're pulling it all down brick by brick because of the other houses and buildings on this side. Most of this has been done by hand. There we go. You've got these like kind of a sawing machine he's got there going. It's all been done by high-tech demolition company. Yeah. Right. They look like a couple, like lift shafts or something. Or yeah. Lift shafts, yeah. That's what I thought, yeah.
Not working.
Oh, God.
You'll be waiting a while now once you press the button.
Yeah.
Are we on
Yeah, just talking to one of the builders there, and as you can see in front, there's a couple of lift shafts. It's kind of interesting. That's awesome.
I'm going to go and play Smiths for the fencing. Do you know the difference between the fencing at Hartes and Smiths and yours?
Yeah, still got a fair bit to do. So most of it's down by now. Yeah, lovely lift shafts are very interesting. So you've got to really be careful. Got houses here as well, look. This house looks empty. Not sure about this one here. That's pretty cool. Just going down the back of this alley here. That leads on the back of Hartes. See if I can see anything from this angle. Look how close that is to them houses. That white house there, look. It's still got a scaffolding up, obviously. What can I see today? Through the square window. Ah. Very cool. Tell you what, folks, it's a beautiful day. It's only about 15, 16 degrees at the moment. It's supposed to be really nice, about 20 to 21 degrees today. I love the warm weather. Anyway, we'll go back around the front. There's nothing much. You can see around this side. Yeah, just a quick look at the lift shafts again before I go around the front, folks. That's pretty cool. Anyway, got this wall to go down. That's probably about it, really. I think most of the YouTubers are done with this now. Well, that's how things stand at the moment, or not stand as it is. That big great lump of concrete there, look, folks. Oh, this high-tech company, they're very, very informative, very friendly. They talk to you as well, you know. Unlike some demolition companies, will tell you get out, but look round so we see we get you round by the other side before I wrap this vlog up. Do excuse the fencing from this side, folks. This is double fence, so I can't really help that, unfortunately. Oh, sweet smell of weed. Lovely. A bit of video footage from this side. Our Bond Street sign. It's still there. Oh, that's fair. I like to see that being ripped out by the digger. Nice to put a new one in, can't they? See Notre Dame's on the corner there, look. That big old lump of concrete there, folks. Look at that. Wow. That was old Hartes. Stroke Woolworths. I miss old Woolworths, don't you, folks? The old pick and mix sweets. You buy anything Woolies, couldn't you? Virtually anything. I used to go to Woolies when I was a kid. I was a teenager going by the latest DVDs weren't about then. Latest CDs. Yeah. I remember going to Woolies and buying singles, you know, vinyl singles. I think that's probably one of the places, Woolworths, probably one of the first times I bought a CD. That's it, a vinyl single. Want me old vinyl from Woolies? You couldn't beat it. Can you see the basement, folks? Look at that. Deep old basement there. All filled in with rubble. They'd have filled that in when they smooth it off, wouldn't they? Oh well, folks. That's where the doors were, one of the entrances were. You see my previous vlog.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Yeah, look. How cool. It's a shame there's no more to demolish, apart from that wall. They'll take that down brick by brick, I would imagine. There's the houses across the road there. One more look around the front and then I'll wrap this vlog up, I think. So there's one last look before we go. I might come back and revisit it. Let me know what you think. Just finding the time to do it though, so I think. Give it another week or so, I might come back, so. Like I say, there's most of us down, apart from that wall out the back there. Not much to see here really now. Thank you for everybody who's watched my vlogs on the demolition here. I really appreciate it, your likes and your comments. Yeah, really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Anyway, folks, I'm gonna wrap the vlog up here for now. Let the men get on with their work. Hope you enjoyed this vlog on today. Is the 19th of September, would you believe it? 3/4 way through already. Anyway, so please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Upload more videos like this. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.